suddenly on the morning of September 14, we received information and news that there will be no water supply. From dirty water to no supply of water. So I just want to know from the minister in charge, when will we get a clean water? Number one. Number two, when will this water be resumed back to our residents?
Sir, when the department came to know that this turbid water will come through the pipeline, it has decided not to give to people because we know that people will complain of receiving dirty water. So that's why it has been stopped when we know that the water from this main pipeline of 1,000 mm dia, it will be dirty.